Very good evening, class 7th. Now I'm going to discuss you about different forms of energy. Okay, there are different forms of energy, in which the first one is mechanical energy. Now, what is mechanical energy? The sum of kinetic energy and potential energy is known as mechanical energy. Okay, a body is said to have mechanical energy if it possesses either potential energy or kinetic energy or both. Energy exists in many forms. The main forms of energy are kinetic energy and potential energy. Okay. Now, what is kinetic energy? In a very short form, if I told you what is kinetic energy, then kinetic energy, thing, a moving thing possesses kinetic energy. Okay. Like for example, see in this figure 3.4, a moving cricket ball possesses kinetic energy. Any moving thing, either it could be anything which is moving, it possesses kinetic energy. Okay, and the energy of a body due to its motion is called its kinetic energy. The energy due to motion is called as kinetic energy. Okay, now we will come to the formula of kinetic energy. How we will calculate the kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square, where m is mass of the body. For example, if you want to calculate the kinetic energy of this cricket ball, what things you required? You required mass of the cricket ball. Next, v, that is velocity of the body or speed of the body. And second thing you required is the speed of the cricket ball. Okay, that is how you will calculate your kinetic energy, and the formula is half mv square. Okay, now next, from this formula it is clear that what things are we are getting from this formula. We get that kinetic energy of a body is directly proportional to the mass of the body. Okay, and kinetic energy of a body is directly proportional to the square of velocity of the body or square of the speed of the body. That is, if there is any change in the mass of the body, kinetic energy get affected. If there is any change in the velocity of the body, that is square of the velocity of the body, then kinetic energy also get affected. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Now next is potential energy. Now, what is potential energy? Stored energy. You can call potential energy as stored energy. Okay, this is also called as stored energy. And for example, see in this figure, a brick laying on the roof of a house has potential energy in its due to its higher position above the surface of earth. This is actually gravitational potential energy. See, this brick is at a certain height, right? So is and it is not movable also, it is stable over there, so it possesses potential energy over there, and specifically gravitational potential energy, because it is at a certain height, and at certain height there is a gravity on earth which attracts it. Okay, now here it is given the energy of a body due to its position above the ground is called gravitational potential energy. Okay, and another type of potential energy is elastic potential energy, which is due to the change in the shape of the body. For example, you can consider the example of a rubber band. Like see here, this is another example of elastic potential energy. You use catapult, that is known as gulail, right? You used to stretch it out and then throw it the object in it. Okay, like this only. First you stored the energy in the stone, and then you move that energy which possesses kinetic energy, and it move it out. Okay, so I hope you get this thing. Now come to the formula of kinetic energy. The formula used to measure potential, come to the formula of potential energy. The formula used to measure the potential energy is mass into gravity into height, that is mgh. Okay, where m mass of the body, g acceleration due to gravity, h height of the body above a reference point, say the surface of earth. Okay, so when you calculate potential energy, only when there is a certain height, the object is kept at a certain height, then only you can calculate its potential energy. Okay, is it clear to you? I hope is it clear to you. Okay, Now next come to other forms of energy. What are the other forms of energy? Energy also exists in some other forms. These can be classified as energy in action or stored energy. Energy in action, heat energy. Heat is also a form of energy. As you know, heat is also a form of energy. Sun and also from burning fuels like coal, kerosene and petrol. These all carry heat energy. Okay. Now what is light energy? When light particles fall on the photographic film, a chemical change takes place. Due to this change, an image is formed on the film. Thus, light is also a form of energy. See, in this universe, everything possesses energy. Okay, everything is a certain form of energy. Keep this thing in your mind. Okay, now sound energy. You use sound to hear, so like light, sound is another form of energy. You know, sound is a very feeble type of energy. It is difficult to easily see anything being moved by sound. Okay, however, sound waves create vibrations which make motion in the medium particle. It makes our eardrum vibrate when it fall into our ears. Okay, so sound energy use vibrations. You can't see it, but it create vibration which you can feel. For example, if you play a music system or the deck, you will feel the vibration on that deck when you increase its bass. Okay, now next is electrical energy. Electrical energy is perhaps the most useful form of energy. Electric energy is used in different fields like in agriculture, industry, in railway, almost in every walk of life. Okay, now in next video I will discuss about the stored energy. Okay, thank you everyone.